back to my channel. Welcome back to Style Me Up with Sakshi. I hope you guys are doing absolutely freaking fantastic. Today I'm back here again with the Shein haul. I know it's been a very long time and honestly I was contemplating whether I should do this video or not because ये सारा सामान, ये सारे products मैंने lockdown से पहले order करे थे, ये अभी receive हुए हैं. So oh well, now that we're here, we're gonna do the Shein haul. But before we jump right into the haul, please hit the subscribe button. It really motivates me. It just makes me feel really good that we have this big haul community. So hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification sign in case you want to get notified for all of my videos. They're gonna be amazing, by the way. And hit the like button. Let's get right into the fantastic haul. The first product that I've gotten is this beautiful floral dress. Now you will see that the entire haul is a summer filled haul. Also Shein has a sale going on from 26th to 29th. So definitely go check it out. It's 85% or something. I'm going to leave my code in the description box below and right here. This was the first product that I got. It's absolutely fantastic. It doesn't come with the lining, which I'm a little sad about. But nevertheless, it is not see-through. All in all, I love the high neck detailing also. And it has a little bow that kind of in the back. The next one is absolutely my favorite, which is an oversized shirt. Now you guys, मैं बता भी नहीं सकती हूँ मुझे ये shirts कितनी ज़्यादा पसंद है. I wear them around the house and especially because of the lockdown, we're spending a lot of time working from the bed, right? Our room is our office. So something like this is so super comfortable and you can wear this all year round. You can wear this in winters also because it's slightly thick. The quality is amazing. The fit is amazing. I think it looks very bougie, very trendy. The next thing is a super Hawaiian dress. I love this. The ruffles are so cute. It's just a very cute dress. It's a one-shoulder dress. Now it is a proper polyester material. So if you don't really like polyester on your skin, this might not be the best fit for you. But if you're definitely planning to have a holiday on your terrace, we can't really have a holiday anymore anywhere else. But this is like perfect if you want to have a holiday on your terrace or on your balcony. Oh my lord, the next thing is literally my favorite thing out of this entire haul, and this is my favorite thing that I've ever purchased from Shein. Honestly, this is such a beautiful black dress. It's very formal. It is very good in quality. It's slightly big on me. I might have to get it altered, but Shein made this is my thumb rule, and this is something that I would encourage you guys to follow as well. If you buying something online, especially from Shein, go a size big because अगर size छोटा आता है तो पूरा return करने का बहुत ही झंझट होता है. If you go a size big, you can get it altered for like 50 rupees, 100 rupees or something, but it is so much more convenient for me. This is a tube dress. You know, I was always this person, मैं हमेशा shy away करती थी from bodycon dresses, but this time I thought this ruffle bodycon dress, which is like a cheat code for a bodycon dress. Again, it's very comfortable. It doesn't highlight any of your bulges because of the ruffles. सारे bulges छुप जाते हैं, and I think it is such a smart decision. Plus, the V-neck is super flattering to the kind of a body type that I have, which is a pear-shaped body. Okay, the next thing that we have is this shorts. Now I've been super regular with TikTok videos, which is why I get a lot of my stuff keeping in mind कि TikTok dance videos में काम आएगा. This short was literally bought keeping that in mind. I love it. I think it's a very nice something that you can lounge around in even in the house. If you don't know already, I'm obsessed with polka dots, which is why I loved this summer dress. It's like a green and white polka dot dress. It has a elastic behind, which is why it's super comfortable to wear. I think this fits perfectly. I'm sorry if I've forgot to shoot it, but it is a beautiful dress. Again, comes with drawstrings. These kind of strings and these kind of sleeves are super in trend. So something like this can be your go-to, and it's a skater, very flowy dress. The next thing that I have, I'm obsessed with, like literally obsessed with. I remember I used to buy a lot of these, you know, net tops back in the day, like 3-4 years back. उसके बाद मैंने खरीदना ही बंद कर दिया और पहनना ही बंद कर दिया. But when I saw this on the website, something clicked. I think the little girl in me clicked. It has like this vintage, very whimsical, very feminine kind of a vibe. I can totally wear this with like a white bralette and kind of make it look a little sexy and tuck it in like a high-waisted trouser or high-waisted shorts or maybe a skirt. I think it is so pretty. It's a must-have and the quality is also pretty decent. Keeping the flow going on, the next one is a net white dress. I love it. I think this is the best purchase that I've ever made off of Shein. It is beautiful. It is so feminine. It is so nice in quality. It has like a lining underneath also, so kuch bhi see-through nahi hai. And I love the dress. I think it's very vintage. I think it's very, it's like a modern plus vintage ka mix. For the next item, Shein kept recommending this shorts. Every time I would go on their website, they would keep recommending it. And this time I literally gave in. I'm like, I'm going to try these shorts. One, because I don't have a good pair of denim shorts. Second, I thought high-waisted shorts like कितना ही गलत हो जाएगा. But it was a little bigger on me. I could make it work with a belt, of course. But all in all, it's like a typical Shein short. It's not very high in quality, but it is not low in quality also. The next thing that I have, which I actually recently posted on my Instagram also, and a lot of people loved it, was this oversized shirt. Now you already know that this one is obviously going to be my favorite because it's such a summer color. Lavender color is super in, it's super trendy. I'm not really fond of the kind of buttons it has. I think the buttons could be slightly better in quality. It is again a very flowy polyester kind of a shirt, super oversized, so super comfortable to wear. The next one are these joggers. Now I see these joggers and people styling joggers on the internet 24/7. People, especially on TikTok, are obsessed with joggers. But I went a size up. I actually got a 2XL in it. I'm generally a 0XL. The next thing that I was super excited about were these skirts. Now essentially ये shorts हैं, high-waisted shorts हैं, like pleated shorts हैं, but ये skirt की feel देती है पूरी and comfort of shorts of course, which is why it's a skirt. The next thing that I actually got, I'm obsessed with Shein के quad sets, and I think it's a very smart decision to get quad sets. You can literally pair their bottoms with something else, their top with something else. You get the idea. I love this. I think this is super trendy. Like it's like a pajama that you can wear outside. But again, polyester. Shein के सारे कपड़े polyester के होते हैं, unfortunately so. But it is like a nice kind of polyester, something that you'll actually feel comfortable in. Talking about quad sets, the next one is this beautiful checkered print pajama set. Honestly, I was actually interested in getting its top. It has a scallop shaped neckline, which I was really interested in, but एक छोटा सा feel हो गया कि इतना बड़ा size आ गया because मुझे oversize चाहिए था. ज़्यादा ही oversize आ गया तो मैंने पीछे एक knot tie कर लिया just so that I can fit into it. It really doesn't matter. It wasn't that expensive anyway. Okay, continuing the tradition of the quad sets, the next one is this super feminine, super beautiful quad set. It's a completely super white quad set, very thick in quality. Now इसको देखते ही मुझे सिमी गेरेवाल की याद आ गई. I don't know if you guys know her, but she used to be this massive talk show host. I think her talk show was like one of the best in India and one of the biggest in India, and I loved it so much. इसको देखते ही मुझे उसकी याद आ गई. कभी कभार थोड़ा सा backfire कर जाता है getting a size up. Sometimes it doesn't fit you quite right. This actually did not fit me quite right because इसका मतलब एक तो high waisted है, super high waisted है, ऊपर से मैंने बहुत ही बड़ा size ले लिया तो इसको थोड़ी बहुत alteration करवानी पड़ेगी, but it is a super feminine set. I love the neckline. It might not be for everybody, but you can obviously wear like a spaghetti. But even if you don't want to wear such a deep neck, you can get like a net thing stitched here by your tailor, and it is good to go. It is a beautiful set. I love that it has a belt as well. I am obsessed with graphic tees. I'm obsessed. Like I think graphic tees are so cool. मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा कि मैं इससे पहले इस ट्रेंड पे क्यों नहीं जंप करी, because now that I'm on it, I can literally shop graphic tees all day, every day. बहुत ही रेयर बात है Shein पे cotton चीजें मिलना, but this is pure cotton and I love it. If you've been following me on Instagram, you would already know that I'm big, like massive into working out, which is why I think something like this, like again, a quad set would make so much more sense. Has a mesh detailing, so you can literally see things underneath, but it says HIIT. I do a lot of HIIT workouts, and it comes with its own pair of shorts which also say HIIT. Talking about accessories now, I am super obsessed with belts. A lot of people keep asking me, Sakshi, where do you get your belts? Maximum times I get my belts from Shein. I think they make some really good quality belts. Again, big tip, if you are a plus size girl or a curvy girl, or if you don't know if this belt is going to fit me right, get something which has an elastic. Always go for these corset kind of belts. I think they look great. Now I love these stackable chains. I think they look really cool, super bougie, and they go with so many outfits. I have a ton of these chain gold jewelry, but I got one in silver as well. Well, that's it for the video. That's it for the long ass haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, jaldi se hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. If you're not following me on my Instagram, it's just @StyleMeUpWithSakshi. I post every day OOTD videos, styling videos every single day. So if you're not checking that out, you're doing something wrong. Hit the bell notification sign here on YouTube. It's completely free. Like I said, it motivates me to make more videos. And also, if you want to go shop on Shein, I'm going to link all of the products down in the description, and you can use my code right here. They have a massive sale going on. Go check it out. I'll see you guys later. Bye.